Hi friends, welcome to Chandrasekhar YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to show how to get lost drop from toothpaste. So generally I am using Dant Kanti toothpaste. So this toothpaste is completely empty. See, I am opening the cap. So now I am going to press the toothpaste fully. So but even one single drop also not coming outside. So now I am going to show how to get lost drop from toothpaste. So you need to fill with air, completely fill with air. Okay, so now I am going to open the cap. You see, the last drop also came outside from toothpaste. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to Chandrasekhar YouTube channel.